Did he get you? I was like, 3 girls, and wait till they come through, and I said, jump out.
No, shit, I did that. You know how to, so I walked back. Mackenzie's got my legs. Made me
still running. She probably didn't run across the street.
She made me fall on the ground. There was no one in the graveyard.
There wasn't. He wasn't there when I was there.
I need my back cut.
They ain't got chains on them. I told him to come after y'all. Your back ain't cut.
No, I hit the wall pretty hard. Yeah, right there. You gotta come up her back and my knuckles are cut open. I'm good. Yeah.
How did you do that?
No, I'm gonna repeat what Mackenzie said. The monkey came up to you and said, "Where are you going?" To hell it, and you're going with me. That's what she said.
I told him to come after you.